Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix "This channel cannot be displayed" error on Telegram mobile. Sometimes, when trying to open certain channels on Telegram, you might see the message, "This channel cannot be displayed." This usually happens because the channel contains 18+ content, and your app settings may not allow viewing it. You can fix this by enabling the proper settings on your mobile device. First, open the Telegram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner to open the main menu. Here, tap on Settings to open your account and app options. Now scroll down and tap on Chat Settings. Here, scroll down and look for the option Show 18+ content. Make sure it is enabled by turning the toggle on. This will allow Telegram to display channels and messages that contain adult content. Then tap on Confirm to save the changes. After that, go back and open the channel again. It should now display properly without showing the "This channel cannot be displayed" message. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.